Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry it's been so long since I've brought out another video for you guys. I've been pretty busy and I'm just trying to get the content out and saving for parts, as you guys can imagine. But we're about to hit another milestone and I'm very happy to say that we have gotten everything for the long block. You can see we've got the block and head there, and these are all the parts to assemble the long block. We already got the head assembled, as you guys would have seen in one of the last videos, but I have finally gotten every piece I needed to get that block and head built, put together, and pretty much start putting everything into the S15. Don't know if you guys can see there, we already got our Koyo Rad radiator here, and I've also got another cool part that arrived, but we got an ARTEC SR22VET exhaust manifold, which we're going to have to do a little bit of porting to. I'm pretty excited about this radiator too. I opened it, it looks awesome, and yeah, just kind of wanted to update you guys on that. Now it's been a while, I've kind of filmed some other bits and pieces, but it's just I wouldn't class it as watchable stuff, if you could call it that, but I've also got the drum brake conversion on there, and we also have the 370Z different axles. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. We just need to get our hubs and some R33 GTR rear rotors, and they'll be good to go back on. I got some new bolts for the 350Z front Brembos, so we just need new front rotors, and then we're going to try to find, I think we can either use Evo 7 rear Brembos or R33 GTR rear Brembos, and unfortunately we did secure some R33 GTR Brembos for the rear of the S15, and I bought them and turns out I got scammed. So that was a bit of a bummer. I got scammed about 800 bucks, so I'm gonna go make a case with the police. I've already talked to the bank and they can't give me the money back because he's already taken out of the account that I transferred to. So yeah, that's a bit of a stab in the guts. I'm pretty good when it comes to scams. This guy knew what he was doing. He was definitely in the car community, and he scammed me and a few other people. I put a post up on Facebook telling people to watch out, and some people messaged me back saying that same thing happened to them. They even some people lost more money than I did, so it is what it is at the end of the day. But hopefully he gets caught and doesn't scam anyone else, and it sucks because that's our hard-earned money. I'm still excited, we're still moving forward. This is a huge milestone, and now I can finally start putting the conversion parts on for you guys, because I'm sure you guys have been eagerly waiting. For some of you that have been here from the start, this has taken me about 2.5 years to get to this point since I pulled the engine out, maybe just 2 years. And that I haven't just been saving for my job, I've been flipping cars in the background. I just flipped another one, so that's where I've got the last push to get the rest of these parts. And yeah, so for you guys that have been staying from the beginning, thanks for staying. The new subscribers, welcome to the channel, and you've tuned in at probably one of the best times to see everything go back in. And I'm hoping once we something else sells, which is going to be the RX-7, unfortunately. I know some of you have probably been hanging out to watch that too, but unfortunately it's probably not going to make me any money, and I just want to get the last push on the S15 done. And yeah, we're on the last push, the last leg. So my plan is if that sells pretty soon, we can hopefully have this finished by the end of winter, start of spring, and start going to all the car events then and start putting on a new body kit that I really want. I love the Origin Labo kit, but it's been done so much, and I'm sure a lot of you guys would want to see something a bit more unique, so we'll dive into that after. But I really want to get the last push on this car done. You guys deserve it, who have been watching, hanging out for the last couple of years, and I think I probably deserve it too. It's been a long journey of discipline and trying to hustle up some stuff, so I'm super excited. And thanks to everyone who's been watching, staying tuned, and people who have been helping me in the background. It's been awesome. My dad, Jeremy, who's got a performance shop in Christchurch, he's been helping me, Rapid Performance. All those guys have been amazing, so yeah, pretty stoked. But we're going to be taking this to Christchurch this week to all get assembled, and fingers crossed the RX-7 sells pretty soon, and we can start diving into the radiators, all the conversion bits that I've got, and yes, start pumping out some more videos regularly. That's my goal, to pump some videos out regularly for you guys, and keep the content up. I know it's been a bit stale, so yeah, we'll get into that. But thanks again for watching. Thanks to all the new subscribers and the old ones, and yeah, I can't wait for this leg of the journey, and we'll get stuck into all the cool parts, and yeah, it'll be cool. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys once the long block is built.